Hey friends, today I'm headed to one of my favorite places, the thrift store. So if you've been following me for a while, then you already know I love finding unique pieces for my home without spending a fortune. As you can see, I am in the thick of it. It is raining like crazy, but that's okay. Here in Florida, it'll literally rain like this for like a good 5 minutes and then the sun will come out.
Oh, you guys, we're going to the thrift shop. Again, we went to church, we went to BJ's, so now I'm going to the thrift shop, just to see what they have or just to browse around. And then I think I'm going to go to Aldi's because I have to pick up a couple of groceries that I did not get in BJ's. So I will see you all in the thrift shop.
All right, so let's see what they have today. I always like to keep an open mind when I thrift because sometimes the best finds are things you weren't even looking for. So if you're new to thrifting, don't be discouraged. If you don't find something amazing every time, some trips are better than others, and consistency is really um, the key. Now, when I'm thrifting for home decor, I try to focus on shapes, textures, and quality rather than the color. Paint can change a lot, but a beautiful shape or quality piece is much harder to find. This piece has potential. I may not love it exactly as it is, but I'm trying to imagine what it could look like styled in my home. And one of my favorite thrifting tips is to look past the clutter. Sometimes the best items are hiding behind things or on the bottom of the shelves. I always check the artwork section because you can find some really unique pieces. Even if you don't love the art itself, sometimes the frame alone is worth buying. Frames can be expensive when purchased new, so thrifting them is a great way to save money. You can never have too many beautiful glass vases. I especially love clear vases in the summer and the springtime because it's timeless and it works with every season. I like to mix thrifted pieces with newer items because it gives a home more character and makes it feel more collected over time. So I think one of the biggest misconceptions about thrifting is that it's only about saving money. For me, it's about finding pieces that feel unique and tell a story. And I'd rather take my time collecting items I truly love than just rushing out and buying everything brand new. Thrifting has taught me patience. Sometimes I leave empty handed, other times I find exactly what I've been searching for. And and that's the best part. And that's exactly why I love thrifting. Finding something unique for a fraction of the retail price is such a good feeling. I can already picture how I would style this in my home. So, are you guys a thrift shopper or do you prefer buying new? And what is the best thing that you've ever found at a thrift store? Would you have picked this up or would you have left it behind? Anything that you've seen that I touched in the video? And do you decorate with thrifted items in your home? So, all right, friends, I found one thing worth bringing home, which was a shirt for my son. So I'm going to check that out and see how it fits him once we get back home. Okay, you guys, so this is my balcony and I have a organic basil plant, and I've had it for about a week now. I put some sticks in here that just kind of holds up, support the leaves that were like bending. I had it in the kitchen, but they said the basil plant is going to need some sunlight. So I was like, let me just put it out on the balcony. So today what I'm doing is just removing like the leaves that are like brown because they said to remove the brown dead leaves. And it needs a lot of water and it has to be in a pot that um, has a hole so that the water would be able to drain. So far, the plant looks really good to me. Um, it smells amazing, you guys. I really liked it in the kitchen because it just smelled so minty and just made everything just smell so fresh. So it's unfortunate that I'm not able to bring it inside. So I'm going to go ahead and just give it some water. And I love this little brass water canister that I got. I got this from, I think it was Ross or Home Goods, but I love it. But yeah, you can use these to cook with. I'm gonna get one tomato tree, one tomato plant, and then I'm going to get, um, I want to try to do some strawberries. Fruits grow here a lot, really well in Florida. So, yeah. She said I'm singing I'm so unstoppable. All right, so that's enough water, you guys. So I wanted to share with you guys that we got some fresh pineapples today. My cousin brought 2 pineapples over, so I'm excited for that. So I took out the juicer. It's an Cook juicer. I've used this in previous vlogs. I've had this for about 4 or 5 years now, I want to say. It works well for me. And I'm going to juice these pineapples. I can't wait for some fresh pineapple juice. And I'm going to add some ginger and cucumber in there. And then I'm just going to put it in like that glass vase that I got from the thrift shop. That I was telling you guys about, with some cucumber slices in there, you know, because it's summertime, so I can't wait. Now I can use this. And yeah, that's going to be good. And I think it also helps to, like, the ginger, the pineapple, the cucumber helps with like just flushing out and clearing out your system. So there is nothing like having fresh pineapple juice. You guys, this is how much 2 pineapples gave me. I put it in this container because it had a lid and I wanted it to keep fresh. Also, this is what I do every single morning when I wake up. I'll get a glass of water. I'll have some black seed, 1 spoon of black seed oil. I'll put some Claricil. I have a hard time pronouncing it, you guys, but I put 2 drops of that in a glass of water and I drink it. Then I'll just have some B12 vitamins and some vitamin D. I'll have some bone broth about 2 to 3 times a week. It helps with collagen. It gives me the protein that I need. And then I also have 1 spoon of sea moss every single morning, and I make my own sea moss. So this is my morning regimen. I do it every single day. Now, also when it comes to my skincare, I got some aloe vera and some cloves with some spring water, and I put that in a spray bottle, and I use that as a toner on my face. It helps with dark marks. It just helps refresh your face, and I absolutely love it. It's been doing a great job. I also spray that under my arms before deodorant, and I also use it in my hair. It's just like a leave-in um, treatment, and it's been working wonders for me and my son's hair. Now, anyway, you guys, what do you do every morning? What vitamins do you take? Any suggestions? This is what I do. And this pineapple juice, it just tastes so good. It tastes so fresh. Nothing like juicing your own fruit. Well, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hype the video. I pray that God will bless you and your family, keep you safe, and that He will cover and provide for all of your needs. And God bless you all. And I just want to say thank you for all of your support. I really appreciate it.